Good morning to you. For those who haven't heard of the Coding College of We Think Code, what is it and what does it offer?
Thank you for having me. So We Think Code is a network of tech institutions with campuses in Johannesburg and Cape Town, and we offer a 2-year full-time, completely tuition-free software engineering course. And as you said, no matric required. We are open to anyone aged 17 to 35 who's looking for an exciting opportunity.
So what are the requirements then for anyone to get in? Like you say, no matric required. Is there a sort of assessment process? How do you decide who gets to come there for free?
Yes, so applicants start on our website on wethinkcode.co.za. There's a button in the top right corner that says Apply for 2019. Applicants are then guided through the registration process and are asked to complete 3 online games, which are aptitude tests. The thing is that there are no instructions for the test. They just start, and you need to adapt and problem solve and try reach the highest level possible in the time allocated. Once applicants pass those tests, they then get invited to a selection bootcamp, which we will kick off in January at both campuses. That selection bootcamp runs for 3.5 weeks, and there we start teaching the basics. So we start with C language, which we like to think of the mother of all coding languages. And there is also an opportunity for applicants to see if they enjoy our unique peer-to-peer learning environment.
Katie, give us some idea then as to how this is all funded. I mean, it really sounds too good to be true, but to imagine that all of this is free for anybody who can get through those games and attend the boot camp, how do you run it?
Yes, so we are a non-profit organisation and we operate commercially. So we have a big group of corporate sponsors that fund our students' tuition. They also offer our students 2 4-month internships, which are paid in their first and second years. And then those corporate sponsors have first choice to employ our students when they graduate at the end of the 2 years. Then in return, our students commit to working there for 1 year.
So what do they actually qualify as? If I came to your college and I went through all of it and I made it, what would I be?
So you will be a highly skilled software engineer. So not only is our curriculum incorporates full stack software engineering modules, we also have a Coding You for Success framework where we teach the key life skills and behaviors that our students need to thrive in corporate environments.
And would this qualification be internationally recognized?
Yes, so our curriculum comes from School 42, which started in Paris, and now there are a number of schools around the world. So there's one in Silicon Valley, there in South America, all over Europe, Morocco. So the beauty of that is that we're part of this global network where if any of those institutions upload a new module or a new coding language that may pop up in the next year or 2, we can immediately incorporate that into our curriculum.
So how long does it take to actually qualify at one of these colleges, Kate? I mean, how many years would I actually need to be there?
So our course is 2 years. Applicants will join us for 8 months on campus, and then they will be placed in their first 4-month internship. Then they'll come back for the second year for the second set of 8 months, and then they'll be placed in their final 4-month internship. And we actually see that a lot of our applicants sign full-time contracts at the start of their second internships.
Okay, that sounds wonderful, and I think a wonderful opportunity for many. Do you have, what's the quota? How many do you actually take for those 2 years? And what's the deadline to enter for this year, to get in there?
Okay, so our online applications are open until the end of this year. As I said, our selection bootcamps kick off in January and will run through until April. And what we are looking for is, as I said, anyone aged 17 to 35, please apply and join us. Yeah.
And how many do you take?
Oh, sorry. So in Johannesburg next year, we are accepting 200 students to join our larger campus. And in Cape Town, we will be accepting 75 students to join us at our campus, which is based at the V&A waterfront.
Okay, wonderful. So, Katie, how can anybody find you? How can they get in touch with you? Just give us some details while we have you.
So you can visit our website, wethinkcode.co.za, and click on the Apply for 2019 button. That'll take you through to our applications website. We're also on all social media channels at wethinkcode. You can also email us at info@wethinkcode.co.za, and our team will get back to you.
Fantastic. Okay, so a couple of places, and you have until the end of the year to get on